Filing HST in QuickBooks Online is a straightforward process that helps ensure compliance with tax regulations. Here's how to do it. Log into QuickBooks Online. Open your web browser and log into your QuickBooks Online account. Access Reports. From the left-hand menu, click on Reports. Find the HST report. In the search bar, type Sales Tax Liability or navigate to Taxes, Sales Tax. Select the appropriate tax period for which you want to file the HST. Review HST details. Review the report to ensure all sales tax transactions are accurately recorded. The report will show your total sales tax collected and any credits available. Calculate the amount. Determine the total HST amount you owe or are eligible to claim as a refund. Know the total from the report. File the HST. Log into your government tax portal to file your HST return. Enter the total amount calculated from QuickBooks Online. Follow the instructions on the portal to complete your filing. Record payment in QuickBooks. Once filed, return to QuickBooks Online, navigate to the plus new button, and select expense to record the payment of your HST.